we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick. This is interesting. So obviously, guys, it's pumping. This is the all these candles here represent a day, one daily session. This is the daily chart here on Bitcoin. You can see yesterday I had this big upper wick where the price, it closed at 102,000, but the intraday high was 109,000, which is kind of crazy, and the low was 99,000. So in one day, the price range of Bitcoin was $10,000. Almost, it was like $9,500, depending on which exchange or marketplace you're looking at. More or less, $10,000 candle in one day. $10,000 price range in one day is crazy. That was yesterday. Here we are today. So let's go down, since we're at this level, which was the resistance from mid-December, guys, which is 106. The price is closed at 106 here. Let's go to 4 hour to look at it a little better. So here's that 106 area in mid-December where it didn't hold and it fell all the way to 92. So okay. So made all-time highs. Once it did, it kind of just came right back down and tested this area here, which held a support and still has. I would say, so since yesterday, this is yesterday, if price gets above this level, right, it kind of just gets up here for a moment, it flirts just for a moment, and it comes right back down kind of hard. And once it fell through this level at 106, it went all the way to pretty much 100, which is another $6,000 break. It went down, within just a mere hours, about 8 hours. Each one of these candles is 4 hours now. So for it broke above and got above here and hung out just for a moment. From what I've seen and from what I've learned, the fact that it failed to hold above here is a stronger signal than the fact that it was up here for a moment, if that makes any sense. So the fact that the bulls got it up to that level isn't as important as the fact that the bears caused the price to come right back down. Just as quickly as it went up, it came right back down. So that says this area failed, and it failed kind of quickly. So to me, that tells me this is going to be resistance, and it's going to be our new resistance, and it lines up perfectly with what was resistance back here, right? December 17th. So I'm just going to go ahead and make another one of these. And we're going to go to the very top here. And we're going to see how it lines up. I just wouldn't be surprised if the price of Bitcoin kind of teetered in between a few of these levels. Because these are all levels that Bitcoin is responding to. And it is what it is. These horizontal price levels are important. And I just see this clearly as our resistance. We're back to the daily. We see how tight this is, and it's like this whole upper wick that was the intraday price movement is now being bought up again, and here we are again. So I can see us totally just kind of still just moving around these levels for now. Probably it seems like it's working its way up. It's trying to get to that next level because we held this level of 90, 91 for so long. It seems like it wants to hold this next level, 99, or call it 100, pretty much is. So I expect the price to kind of bounce around in here. And I really think this 109, 110, 109, 110 is our mid-term ceiling. Not short term, not long term. It's going to be probably more short term. It's going to kind of just be our resistance level for a minute. Price probably trades within 100 to 109, maybe back to 98, 99 to 109, whatever. Easily. It did it yesterday. It went the full $10,000 to $10,000 range yesterday. So it can easily just stay within that range for a few days, because that's a lot. That's a lot of trading that happened yesterday, which was to be expected on the inauguration day with all this hype in the market. Is it justified? Is the hype warranted? Time will tell. We will see. That's Biddy, y'all.